Today we are going to have another book unboxing. Let's see what we have today. I also have my kids today, so there might be noise. Let's see. So, wow, this looks very good. The Parallels, the Sensuch series from Keller Demeyer. A militia officer on the hunt for a murderer. A scientist with the key to humanity's future. A girl in a glass tank with no memory. One seeking justice, one seeking fame, one seeking answer. With the galaxy on the brink of war, time is not on their side. Sounds very nice. Let's see what we have here. Little secrets. Ooh, mystery box. So nice. This. Okay. Ooh, a sticker. And so cool for my cell phone. Look. This is really nice. And very nice indeed. I'm gonna read it and then I'm going to share my thoughts about it. There's more inside the book. 3 bookmarkers. Look. Very nice. Thank you.